Now, we will give you part 3 of Microsoft Office Word course. We will continue on the basic task in Word Microsoft Office. We will give you now how to quit Word document and how to set document properties in Word. First task in part 3, how to quit document. Click File, Close. This dialog box will appear. I want to save the change of the part 3. Save it. Now, the Word document closed but it's still running. I will open it again. File, Open, Recent Document, Part 3, click. It will appear again. Now we will continue to the next task in the Part 3, how to set document properties in Word document. To find the basic document properties, we will go to File, Info, Properties, Show Document Panel. It will show the document properties. Now we can edit item name, give the title, which is like part 3, the subject, the subject is word course, and I continue to other fields and close it. If I want to view advanced properties, I will go to File, Info, Properties, Advanced Properties, and go to Summary tab and edit what I want. Like here in the icon, I will put my name. I will put the manager, admin. I want to put any comments. This is part 3 of Word Microsoft document course. Then click OK. This is part 3 of the Microsoft Office Word, which contain the basic task, how to quit Word and how to set document properties in Word.